My video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware called JerryRansom. This JerryRansom is a ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files that you store on the hard drives. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this JerryRansom ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. So the ransomware encrypts files and damages the data considerably. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay a certain ransom for file restoration. But of course, paying the ransom is obviously not a good idea because this doesn't guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your funds. So don't pay it, don't waste it. Very soon, users see the consequences of the ransomware's attack. And so these are the results of the ransomware attack. This ransomware appends a random for symbol extension to the file names, and it also reveals this ransom note, indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. The ransom note, by the way, is presented in Russian. Now, I urge you not to pay the ransom and not to waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of a reliable antivirus application, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Go to the website cleaner.com. You need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may be also damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page cleaner.com, use the green download button, download it, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is certainly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. After the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, Cleaner begins investigating your computer. The scanning, of course, may take some time. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on the features of your computer in general. But at the end of this scan, you will see the summary of infections. You will be able to know their locations on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually by going to those locations, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and this way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Cleaner Antivirus. Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware with anti-ransomware feature, and it helps to protect the data from further ransomware attacks. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.